I see you. But here's Mommy and the Street Brothers. Love 4. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. And if y'all have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification bell. Ding, 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 ding. Anyways, to all my new viewers, my channel is a little bit about everything. Vlogging, couponing, cooking, being with the street boys, vacation hauls, shopping hauls, and more. Today, we are going to Busch Gardens. Woo! Me alone with my 4 boys. So y'all pray for me because I know a lot of parents cannot do it, not even with 1 child, not even with 2 child, definitely not even with 3 children, and I got 4. So we gotta pray that this journey is good. I'm doing it for my kids. I'm not doing it for my pleasure. The only pleasure I get out of it is seeing my kids happy. I want them to have a good childhood. I want them to remember the things that Mommy did. I want them to remember the things that Mommy sacrificed. Even when I'm tired, I am so tired. But I am surpassing my tiredness. Maybe I could get a Red Bull. I drank coffee. It's not working. But we got memberships this year for Busch Gardens, Adventure Island, SeaWorld, and Aquatica. So SeaWorld and Aquatica is 2 hours away from me. So that's going to be a little hard to do only if I decide to take a mini vacation with the boys. You see Theo? He's saying hi. But yeah, we are on our way. It's an hour away from our house. I have baby with me. I got 4 water bottles packed. I got my water bottle if I need to refill it. I don't have any snacks because SeaWorld does not allow you to have any snacks. Theotis, can you stop that? They want to be in the mix. So anyways, SeaWorld does not allow snacks, but I do have a baby food for the baby. I do have him his baby milk yogurt little wafers. I have his little bottle. I breastfeed, so him eating throughout the park is not a big deal. I got a wagon, which is a Jeep stroller wagon. I got a Jeep stroller wagon, so 2 to 3 kids can fit in there if they lap, maybe 4 if they don't kick each other and let each other sit on each other's lap. Ezekiel's big enough, he's 7 years old, but I do know he gets tired, so we're gonna have to take turns. My adventure today is not to stay at the park all day long. That's not what my goal is. My goal is to stay at the park minimum 2 hours, maximum 4 hours. It's 11 o'clock. We'll be there at 12. So about 4 o'clock, I will be ready to go back home. Go home, make them dinner, tell them to take a bath, relax, bedtime. So let's see how our journey is. We're right now on the highway. So yeah, let's continue when we get to the park. Okay, Mommy and the Street Brothers getting mad now because look at this long line. We have preferred parking. So I have to go all the way back around to find out where I can get a thing. And my kids are... It feels like it's going to be a hectic day already. Sit back! Alright, we're going to find this parking. Okay, I'm annoyed to the 10th power. Look at this long old line. Just to get a Busch Gardens, just to get a prefer. Now we got platinum passes. There should be a whole different section for this. This is my first time here, so once I figure this out, I'm going to get it down pat for next time. But this is ridiculous. Now everybody and their mothers want to come to Busch Gardens. I should never came today. I should never came today. I think we're going to be here longer than 3 hours. No. God, let this just be flow. Let this ride. I'm just happy that the baby's sleeping. The kids are waiting patiently. Look at all this.
He's not sleeping.
Okay, he ain't sleeping no more. I didn't ask them. They always want to put their 2 cents in it.
No.
It's like everybody want to come to, it's like Disney World or something.
Disney World.
My anxiety's to the 10th power. Alright, y'all. We'll see once we park. Say cheese! Say cheese. Okay, we're going to Sesame Place. My baby's in there.
No.
Okay, we were supposed to be here an hour ago, but we had a lot of confusions. And since Mommy and the Street Brothers don't play that, I spoke to the manager. And she gave us 5 tickets for free snacks and water and souvenir cups. Thanks, Busch Gardens. So we are going to Sesame Street because I came here for my kids more than me, because I really can't do nothing with myself for the kids. Yeah. No, she said way down here. Hopefully there's water, because Mommy... Oh, look. But we're going to Sesame Street first.
We have a game.
Yeah, they have lots of games. Where's she at? Yeah, the statue is moving. Don't know. Theo, can you get out of people's way? Come on. Ooh, sorry.
Mario!
What do you see? See Sesame Street World? Oh, that's so cute. Stand by there. Stand next to it so I can take a picture. Say cheese. You're in the kids' bathroom. Infant care center and family assist. There were chairs, bathroom, and then they got nursing room in here. Nice. I'm a nurse because they ain't listening. And then I got this one right here. And the line, okay? The man is gonna get ya. I don't know how I'm doing this. Get up the tree. Hi, duties. Are you enjoying your little juicy juice? Right here. But I want to know. Babies, they're about to ride. Then I have this one right here. All my babies close to me. Just for them. Mama loves them. Woo! Whee! Woo! You chilling, Willie? Yeah. Jaden! I got that one from Amazon for like $10. It's like a handheld stroller fan. Here I am. Hi, guys. Say hi. I think he's sleeping now.
Have fun, guys.
Say hi, boys. on, guys. Let's go. Let's go now.
No, they already did it. They're getting off next.
Say cheese. Good boy. I see you, number one. I see you, number one. The kids are getting a snack. They're gonna wanted this to share because they gave me free. Okay, that has chocolate and vanilla. Is that what you want, Ezekiel?
No, he wants. No, we didn't share. We didn't share.
Come on! Animals and birdies. Oh, that's so nice. Look at him. Oh, I see you. The kids want to ride on this now. Go ahead, boo boo. Thank you. I got 4 of them. Them 3 and this one, and by myself. Like, who is they talking to? Stop it, guys. They're all pulling on you. So Theo's gonna ride here by himself, and Zachariah and Theo's gonna go there. Where you at? I see you! Go ahead, Theo! You got a friend? Is he with you?
Yeah.
That's my friend too.
Yeah.
I said they got a friend, like we've been... Hi! You got a friend? That's cool. That's nice. How old your son?
6.
Oh, mine's 7. Yours big bone.
That's a Puerto Rican.
I know. We Puerto Rican too. He Puerto Rican black.
Pero acá he iba a ir a arroz, una habichuela, de
Oh, there, yeah.
McDonald's and stuff.
That's good. And them tontones and everything. I know. What? You hungry? Okay. Wait, did I say take off your shirt? No, put on your shirt. I have extra clothes for you. Okay, let's go over here. We're gonna go around and around and around. And we're even gonna let the baby play because I got extra clothes for him too. So we're gonna go around and around. I wanna go in the shade. Yeah, I wanna go in the shade and you could go in there and play. And everybody plays. Come on. Come on. I want to go on the other side. You want to play too? Yeah. Dito. I don't know where my kids are.
Uncle Joe.
Yeah.
Uncle Joe, the baby wants to sit down, Uncle Joe. I know.
I'm blind anyway.
I know, it's so hot, right?
No, just no appetite.
Mommy of the sheep brothers, look for. Mommy of the sheep brothers, look for. My baby went in the water. Yeah, he went in the water.
Move! Another Spanish word! No!
Whatever.
Words that I like you to know. And once you have learned them, we're ready to go. They're manos, cabezas, pies. But hands
Where are my kids? They went in the hole.
You shall be cooperating with me.
Where are my kids? Right here.
And everyone from here to all, if you like, from here, that you all cooperating with me. Excellent. Now, we are going to teach you a very simple dance. Just do what we say. Try it. Try it with me. Oh, excellent. You are all very good at cooperating. Okay, with me say, eat cookie. You pretend to eat delicious cookie and say, yum, yum, yum. Now, like this. Just
Now stay right there. Don't go nowhere. I'm gonna leave you right here, boo-boos. I'm gonna leave you right here, boo-boos.
Eat cookie. Yum, yum, yum. This is a very simple dance to do. Very good. We cooperated. We worked together.
We're about to leave the park. Saturday was a bad day to come to the park. I let them play for a little bit. I see what the park is about. I'm dehydrated. There's a line from here to Wazoo just to eat. We're gonna leave and we're gonna get some eat. He's starving, Marvin's. I hope you guys enjoy. Mama of the Street Brothers is tired. I love you guys with the love of God. Love, sis. Mommy of the Sheep Brothers, love for.